Hi guys, today we are learning how to unmute a status on WhatsApp. First, unlock your phone and open WhatsApp from your home screen. Make sure you're using the account where the muted status is saved. Once the app opens, you're ready to manage your status updates. Now, tap the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. This section shows all the recent status updates shared by your contacts. From here, you'll be able to access your hidden updates. After that, scroll down until you find the Hidden Updates section. Tap on it to view all the statuses you've previously muted or hidden. Any contact whose status you've muted will appear here. Here, locate the contact whose status you want to unmute. Press and hold their status until a menu with more options appears. This gives you the option to make their status visible again. Once the menu appears, tap Unhide. If a confirmation message pops up, tap Unhide again to confirm your choice. After that, new status updates from that contact will start appearing in your updates feed again. And that's how you can easily unmute a status on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.